Let's create this super simple logo in Photoshop. Create a new document and fill it with black color. Take a type tool and write your own name or your brand name. Open the character panel and choose a font called Deadhead Script with 150 point size. Center align the main text. Select the text tool again. I'm going to write a subtitle or a tagline for the logo. For this I am using a font called Roboto. Let's align this properly so it looks better. Now let's see how we can create this swoop. Open up the layers panel and create a new layer. Select the brush tool and right click anywhere on the canvas. Apply these settings. Change the brush smoothing to 100%. Try to come up with a natural shape. Let's see how does this look over an image. I'll just copy this image and paste it below the text layer. You can use this logo to watermark your photos, or you can use it on your social media pages.